So we have a unboxing. The X Tools torque wrench set. So this is the torque wrench set. Comes with the 1/4 square driver. You get the T20s, T25, T30 Torx heads, and you've got a range of hex eggs from 3 right up to 10mm. And the wrench gives you a torque range of between 2 and 24 newtons. And there's an extension bar as well. So let's take out this sleeve. Comes with this quite handy case actually. Let's get this off. See what's inside. So there's instruction manual. So it looks as if this one just tells you basically how to use it and the adjustments and how to set the torque range. Pretty straightforward, I'm guessing. And here are your settings. This one's a T25. It's pretty straightforward. And then the actual wrench itself. Let's get this open. Yeah, it's pretty weighty. It's got a decent amount of weight in there. There's your button for when you want to release these fittings. Clicks on. It's in place. To release it, press that. It comes off. Pretty straightforward. Then you've got your torque settings here. So you just rotate the handle and your torque goes down. It looks as if it goes less than 2, but 2 to 24 in the range. So if I want a torque setting of 3, you've probably just got to guess somewhere between a 2 and a 4. So it's not especially accurate in terms of fine detail, but I guess it's enough really. And I think I paid about £35 for this on Chain Reaction Cycles. Didn't want to be paying £120 for a better one. Something I'm probably going to use a few times, but definitely worth having. Just like a protector around there. Don't know what that is. And there's a little lever here to adjust, so it makes it left-handed or right-handed, the wrench. So looks to be pretty good. It's quite weighty, substantial. Only downside, you're not going to get completely accurate settings here, but it's enough, especially if you're using this on a carbon bike. Then your torque ranges are really important so you don't damage the frame. So I'll try this out later. I need to adjust my dropper post. I'm sure this will be fine. Any problems I will add another comment. So, oh, and there's the extender when you want to get to those awkward bits you can't reach normally. So overall, I'd probably say this is better than what I expected in terms of what I'd get from this, and having it in the case makes it a lot better. Anyway, thanks for watching.